We at ParkMyShare are super excited to open our 17th location across the US here in Austin, Texas. It's only 1.4 miles from the airport and it's fully covered. Let's go check it out together. As we go through the entrance of our Austin facility, I'm going to point out a few things that are pertinent for both hosts and guests. There's a specific ParkMyShare entrance. It's the lane on the right side as you're entering. In the last few facilities that we've opened them up with LPR, so license plate recognition cameras. You're going to see a couple to the right, a couple in the middle of the lane, as well as our AVI reader, which is that gray box in the top left corner. These cameras and AVI readers is what gives hosts and guests access to the facility. They'll read the license plate on the vehicle. It'll confirm that that's the vehicle that's in the dashboard and activated. And then it'll also read the AVI tag, which will be on the windshield of your vehicle as well. The other thing that you'll notice as well is on the left-hand side, there's a 24/7 intercom. And the purpose for it is just to have a 24/7 customer service portal. If a AVI tag was damaged on a trip, if a windshield was replaced, the gate system goes down, you and your guests will have a 24/7 customer service portal through the intercom. You just click the button and you'll get connected to a member of the team. As we get a little bit closer to the gate, the AVI reader on the top left will start to blink green. This means that it got a good read, and then the gate will vend automatically. As simple as it sounds, just having this automated gate system is so nice. Traditionally at airports, sometimes there's a ticketing system. If a guest loses a ticket or if a host loses a ticket on a trip, causes some issues and causes some delays on the trip, you'll have to pay for a missing ticket fee. So now we've pulled into the ParkMyShare section. I'm gonna hang a right here. One of the biggest questions that we get is like, hey Isaac, airports get really busy on the holidays. You know, we got South by Southwest, all of these different things that go on in Austin. We get turned away sometimes by the airport. Your availability at this site is 100% guaranteed. And as you can see, we have a ton of space in this facility to accommodate as many hosts as we need to. One other thing that I love about this site, I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. It gets blazing hot. It's hot in Austin as well. These facilities are covered, keeps your car relatively cool in the summertime, keeps it away from the rain and the hail and all the different elements. When you're cleaning your vehicles and you're turning them over on site, you got some shade to work under as well. Another thing that gets overlooked but is really critical to having a good operating location is investing in the sign packages. As we know, when guests are running late to the airport, they're a little bit stressed out, our sign packages clearly show the guests where to go, where to park, where the areas are at. So if you look at any aisle, you'll see, for example, aisle 13, 14, and 15, and there's space numbers within those aisles. That's great because you as a host can let your guests know, hey, your car is ready to pick up. It's in aisle 14, space number 9, and then your guests will just relay that information to the shuttle driver, and then the shuttle driver is able to drop them off directly at their vehicle. Again, just one of those small things that's overlooked, but really nice about the partner that we have in the parking spot. ParkMyShare adds a ton of value to hosts in a ton of different ways. There's the economics of it. It's less expensive than parking directly at the airport, but it's also time and an efficiency thing. You can use our lot as both a home base and an airport pickup location. So our primary customer just leaves their cars here 24/7. Say you have a trip that ends on a Tuesday and then your next trip goes out on Thursday. You can actually keep that vehicle here on site in between those trips and then drive your chase car onto the lot, your personal vehicle, flip the car, turn it over, and then drive yourself back home. So on site, you can do what's called rinseless or waterless car washing. Basically what that is you're using like a light water spray mixed with a chemical solution. You got your rag system, you got a vacuum cleaner and all of that. Say you have a fleet of 25 cars. If you're flipping, 5 to 7 cars a day, that's a lot of time where you're driving off the lot, going a couple miles to a car wash, doing the car wash thing and then bringing it back in. You can do all of that right on site. One thing that's been top of mind for me lately is the security element of our facilities. So I was talking to the GM here earlier. This is pretty standard for all of our parking spot locations, but there's 3 shifts. So 24/7, there's a human being on staff between shuttle drivers, between the booth attendants. These folks are ready to help guests, but they're also kind of looking out for any security issues that could pop up. You have to enter in through the same entrance and you have to exit through the same exit. So the dispatchers and the booth attendants are all kind of vigilant and looking out for hosts and guests' best interests. For larger hosts that are going to be camped out here for several hours a day, turning over vehicles, meeting their guests. Again, another thing that can be overlooked sometimes is when you're operating directly at the airport, a lot of times there's no restroom facilities at some of these economy parking lots. Here at the Park My Share location, you'll have access to shared amenities in the office space like restrooms, water station, vending machines, things like that. It's just a nice added touch. Again, when you're here for multiple hours a day, you have somewhere to go and you don't have to go off-site. Coinciding with our access controls, being that you as a host have access to your dashboard, there's a couple of really nice billing features that make it really easy to operate here. You'll see your activities tab. Depending on what subscription you'll have, whether it's monthly or daily, you'll be able to see all your statements and invoices right there on the dashboard, and it bills your credit card automatically. So it consolidates all of your parking billing into one location. In a perfect world, guests are arriving at the airport 2 hours before their flight, but we know that's not always the case. What's awesome about the parking spot is their shuttle systems run on a really tight interval. They actually forecast how many shuttles they'll need based on activity and reservations. So it's a really good guest experience. For red-eye flights, so flights between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m., it'll arrive automatically in a 30-minute interval, but they can also call for the shuttle on the parking spot app or by just calling the number for the parking spot west. The location is only a little over a mile from the airport, so the drive time itself is really short. The parking spot team is also wired to help guests. So they're really courteous, they're friendly, they're gonna help your guests unload their luggage, get to their vehicle, and just generally help them have a smooth and quick experience. Thanks for checking out our newest location with us here in Austin, Texas. If you're a host here, reach out to us at parkmyshare.com. You can do two things. You can sign up for an intro call where you'll talk to me or someone on our team, or you could go ahead and sign up, activate all your vehicles, and get started with us.